Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your project in Google Sheets, and then in order to add a graph into it, you just have to hover over to the top and then you just have to click on insert. After doing so, among the given options, you will be able to see the option of chart. This is basically the feature of adding graphs into your Google Sheets project. So you just have to click on chart and then this type of bar chart will be opened in front of you. Now over here in the right hand section, you will be able to see the customization and the setup option of this chart. So if you want to change the chart type, then you just have to click on it, and from the given options you can choose some another type of graphs. Let's say you want to add the line chart, so you just have to click on it and the equations will come into this line chart. Similarly, if you want to change into some other chart, let's say I want to do it pie chart, so you just have to select the pie chart and it will show you the equation in the form of this pie chart. Afterwards you will be able to see the option of data range. So if you want to customize the data range, then you can also do it as well. So here you will be able to see a bunch of different options with the help of which you will be able to customize your chart. So this is how you can easily add a graph in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.